Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move the next week. The chart of silver, what we have seen, silver is trading at a level of $22.700. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, there is a continuous upside. We have seen a swing has formed. Okay, now overall trend you can see there is a continuous you can say a downtrend, but it is very in a zone. Okay, very much in a zone. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, overall trend was going further down till the time it has not made a swing in the month of September 2022. After that it has made a half. Okay, and when the CPI data has come, we have seen there is a continuous downfall in the price of gold, and then after, because of the war situation, we have seen the metal prices are going up. Okay. This is after 2022, but before and after pandemic, what we have seen, the sharp fall and then a sharp rise we have seen in a very small period of time. After that it was moving in a zone. As soon as this zone breakout happens, we have seen a fall and a swing form. That is where it was going upside. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can touch a level of around $23.096. Okay, and this is next resistance after this particular point. So once started moving above that level, it will go further upside, and chances of touching a level of around $23.261 is there. Okay, now once the price move above a level of $23.261, it will cross that level and can touch a level of around $23.760. And if the price move up that level, a further upside we can see, and then it can touch a level of around $24. Keep that in mind that once it has to move in a zone, as soon as it moves above a level of $23, and chances will be high that if the price sustain above this level, we can see it can touch a level of around 24, and from there a probability of crossing a level of 24.271 is there. These levels are already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross that level and will go towards a level of 24.617, and from there it can cross a level of $25. Okay, after that $21.641, and from there a probability of touching 25. Okay, as soon as started sustaining above that level, a further upside we can see in the price of silver. Now if the price move above a level of 25, a further high we can see. But understand something, because if this is a swing has already formed, chances are very high if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, because market is uncertain, so you have to understand SL is there and trailing SL is there. Okay, both SL will save your capital and trailing SL will save your profit. These two things are very important, you have to follow that. Okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, if the price fall below a level of around 21.517, there are chances that it can fall further low, because there is a clear pattern forming. Okay, there is a clear pattern forming, and chances are very high it will go further down. But if the price sustain above a level of 24.617, a further upside we can see in the price of silver, because there will be a pattern will form and chance of going further upside we can see. So keep that in mind. If the price sustain of 24.617, a further upside, and if the price fall below a level of 21.167, a further downfall. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards its next resistance coming at a level of $22.135, and if the price fall below that particular level, a further downfall we can see towards $22. Now once the price started falling below that particular zone, chances of touching a level of 20.867 is there, and if the price fall below that level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 20.625. Okay, and that is where if it moves further down, then we can see it can touch a level of around $20.476, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of around $20.227. Okay, $227. Once the price started falling below that level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of around $19.834. Okay, and if the price move below that particular zone, a further downfall we can see and can touch a level of around $19.280. Okay, again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can touch a level of around $22.214, and from there to a level of around $21.290. So as soon as started moving below a level of 21.593, chances of touching 21.214 to a level of $20. $20.916. Okay, so once the price fall below that level, a further downfall we can see, and chances of touching a level of around $20.476 to a level of $20.476 to a level of 19.9. Keep that in mind that as soon as started moving below a level of $20.76, a further downfall we can see in the price of silver. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've got the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.